This isn't just skincare tools, it's a wellness brand. A lot of the basis of this is human connection. It's something that's grounding. I didn't grow up a childhood star or anything. I didn't expect to have this kind of platform, but I do, and I don't question God. He put me through this journey for a reason, so now I can share that journey and hopefully influence others and help them as well. I think all of these elements is just like coming back to what we're created to do and created to be. My name is Karuchi Tran. I am an actress and founder and owner of Ruchi Beauty, and I am a queen at work.